Have you ever heard about fever? What is fever? Fever is also known as pyrexia, hyperthermia, or elevated temperature. It describes a body temperature that's higher than normal. Raises temperature is not always mean a fever. In example, when you do some exercises, your body temperature will get high, even though you don't have a fever. In general, a baby has a fever when their body temperature exceeds 38 to 38.9 degrees Celsius. A child has a fever when their body temperature exceeds 39 degrees Celsius. An adult has a fever when their body temperature exceeds 39.4 degrees Celsius. What causes a fever? Fever occurs a part of brain called the hypothalamus. There are numerous conditions that can trigger a fever. Some possible causes include infections, some immunizations, blood clots, extreme sunburn, some inflammatory disease, and food poisoning. Depending on the cause, additional symptoms may include sweating, shivering, loss of appetite, muscle aches, general weakness, and headache. Treatment. Care for a fever depends on its severity. A low-grade fever with no other symptoms doesn't typically require medical treatment. Drinking fluids and resting on bed are usually enough to fight off a fever. When a fever is accompanied by mild symptoms, it can be helpful to treat elevated temperature by making sure the room temperature where the person is resting is comfortable. Taking a regular bath or sponge bath using lukewarm water. Taking acetaminophen or ibuprofen. Drinking plenty of fluids. Go to the doctor if a fever is accompanied by any of the following symptoms: a severe headache, throat swelling, a skin rash, sensitivity to light, stiff neck or neck pain, confusion, persistent vomiting, muscle weakness, abdominal pain, trouble breathing, pain when urinating, and irritability. How to prevent a fever? Limiting exposure to infectious agents is one of the best ways to prevent a fever. Here are some tips to reduce your exposure. Wash your hands often. Carry hand sanitizer or bacterial wipes. Cover your mouth when you cough or your nose when you sneeze. Avoid sharing eating utensils with others.
Thanks for watching and
Stay healthy!